This is one thing which gives me some identity, that's what I believe, and a peace of mind. Running has given me so much in life, the confidence, self-belief. So this is one thing I really treasure.
For professional long-distance runners like Praveen Sharma and amateurs alike, the lockdown because of COVID-19 has forced them to improvise. Unable to clock his usual mileage of 100 kilometers a week, the 34-year-old used the terrace of his apartment building to stick to his training routine.
I never ran before, on the terrace. So I thought, why not give it a try? In 40 minutes, I remember I did my 5 kilometers. It was not easy here because we all know that, in a small space, there'll be a lot of injuries when you take a lot of turns every time. I had to, build my mileage and I could not compromise with that. 8 shape I used to run so that, both of my sides will turn and my hips, they stay at one position. They stay normal. I don't get any injuries. And it is somewhere around 35 meters loop.
Sudhir Agarwal went a step further. He combined his living room and home office to create a loop of 27 meters to resume running after deliberating for a month into the lockdown. The 50-year-old telecom professional has clocked more than 700 kilometers since April 24th, entirely within the confines of his apartment.
You're running on a smooth surface, so no worry of putting your step on a not level field. You don't have to carry any water bottle with you. In this small stretch, you can identify a small location. Like I have identified a pit station which I call water station. I put my water bottle over there. Honestly, you won't believe. Maybe I did 5 half marathons in last 54 days. I normally do 2 or 3 half marathons in a full year.
Jyotsna Rawat in the city of Dehradun is lucky. Her family owns a plot of land that enables her to complete 1 kilometer in 6 loops. Still, the challenge for her was to overcome the monotony of running in circles for an extended period.
Especially being a person who enjoys, running, because I get to see so many mountains and rivers and beautiful weather. That was very hard for me. Like the first day when I did my 42K inside this, I was literally like having this weird feeling and like about to faint because of all this like circle thing. So yeah, it has been really hard for me, but now it's like I'm normal to it. Like I have to do it. I don't have any option now.
Adapting to new training and exercise methods, these athletes have made the most out of the restrictions imposed by the lockdown. The pandemic that has brought the world to a halt has failed to deter them.
I did not let it. Initially, that was my fear as well, what would I do with this lockdown? But as I've said that, I've tried to find ways, and this terrace run worked out for me. And then later on, I included lot of strength trainings and those things into my pattern. So it has only made me stronger somewhere, So that is one thing which is keeping me sane here, and, I can keep that continued here for, some more days.